Hi, it's Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew. Welcome! Today I am going to be showing you how to do slip stitching. So slip stitching is a hand sewing stitch, and those of you who might know, I am not a fan of hand stitching, but there are times when you just can't get away without using it to finish off your garment. In fact, I've used it to finish the waistband on this dress that I'm wearing now. So I'll show you how easy it is actually to do a slip stitch and how neat a finish it gives you on your garments. How to do a slip stitch. We're just repairing this little bit here. So I'm just going to go into the fabric here. I have a knot on the end of my thread. In fact, I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'll do it here. So I've got a knot on the end of my thread. So I've just slid my needle along that folded edge. I'm now going to just pick up a tiny stitch here and pull the thread through, and then we'll slide the needle along this folded edge here about 1/2 centimetre. So this is the inside of a waistband on a dress. So we're picking up a small stitch there. There is seam allowance here, there is some bulk here, so I can take a slightly bigger stitch than if it was just a single layer of fabric that you were attaching it to. For example, if you were doing this along a hem. But there is something that can disguise the stitches or not let the stitches show through to the front. So a small stitch, then a slipping the needle along the folded edge like that, about 1/2 centimetre for that, then just a tiny stitch there, and then repeat until you repair the gap or stitch around whatever you're doing. This is actually the inside of a waistband that I am making the dress, and I top stitched it down on the front, so I've managed to catch most of it in as I've top stitched it, but there's just a few little gaps. So rather than worry about that and try and unpick the top stitching and go back and try and catch these bits in, I have decided just to do a few hand stitches to secure. So that's that section completed. So just do a few stitches in the same spot, tuck the needle in through the thread like that to form a small knot, and then trim the thread short. So that is slip stitching, as easy as that. So remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.